It's already running.
Hi, Austin.
Hi.
What are you gonna go do?
I'm gonna go skiing.
With your daddy?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
This is Austin's first trip down the big boy slope.
I'm gonna go out there.
We are.
Ready? You ready? It's slick. Ready? Get your skis together like you talk to your ski school. Okay? Get your skis together. You ready?
There they go. Wow, Austin did good.